In this video, we will see most dangerous queen gambit. So let's start. First move is pawn e4, then black moves pawn d4, knight develops f3, black capture pawn, then white moves g5, then black moves f6, then white moves d3, capture pawn, and now trapped black, bishop d3, pawn h6, knight f7 and check to black, black capture knight, bishop check and capture bishop, and you can easily capture the queen and easily attack on the other pawn. If you like the trap, then subscribe my channel for new videos. So thank you for watching my videos.